Hello everyone, we will discuss about 2-port network. In short, 2-port network is a network which consisting of two terminals, input and output. Input having two variables, voltage V1 and current I1. Output having two variables, voltage V2 and current I2. Two-port network consisting of variant and linear system like resistance, capacitance and inductance, which helps to point out the linearity and homogeneity of the system. Now question is, what is linearity and homogeneity? Linearity of a system is a network which is a parameter of resistance, inductance and capacitance. R, L, C are constant with respect to voltage and current I. Homogeneity of the network defined as where all the nodes having the same function, having the same output, having the same input. To calculate the linearity and homogeneity of the system, two-port network having 5 parameters named as below: impedance, admittance, conductance, transmittance, and hybrid. It is expressed by the specific alphabet, like as impedance is Z, admittance is Y, conductance is G, transmittance is E, hybrid is H. Here, get reverse of admittance. G reverse of hybrid. It means the output of Z and Y is given the output of the conductance and hybrid are interchangeable. To calculating the linearity and homogeneity, we have four variables now: V1, I1, V2, I2. Now we have taken this and implement on the parameters. Now these four variables divided into two categories: dependent and independent. Dependent ones are blue, independent are green. Now, like in impedance, dependent one is V1, I1, V1, V2. In admittance, I1, I2. In hybrid, V1, I2. In conductance, I1, V2. And in transmittance, V1, I1. As same as here, independent is I1, I2. Here, V1, V2. Here, I1, V2. Here, V1, I2. And here, V2, I2. Now parameters arranged in matrix form, like as get a parameter in matrix variety Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22, same as Y. Admittance Y11, Y12, admittance Y21, admittance Y22. As same as X, same as E, as same as conductance. Now we can write the equation according to matrix. We can write V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Same as V2 equals to Z12 I1 Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Same, we can write Y matrix as I1, which is dependent Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, dependent I2 Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Same we can write for hybrid V1 which is dependent X11 I1 plus X12 V2, which is I2 is dependent X21 I1 plus X22 V2. As if we can write all equations. As if we write all equations as same as using this matrix. Now we have to write down all equations, but calculating in all the parameters which used to implement on the solution and in numerical as well. Now we calculate all the parameters by using equations which as I shown for example. It is a Z matrix equation V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 V2 which is here is dependent. V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here to calculate all the parameters, now I1 equivalent to 0 putting I2 equals to 0 as same. Plus I1 equals to 0, I1 equals to 0 or V1 equals to 0 plus Z12 I2, V2 equals to Z22 I2. When I2 is 0, V1 equals to Z11 I1, V2 equals to Z21 I1. Here we calculate Z11 बराबर V1 upon I1, Z21 बराबर V2 upon I1. Z12 बराबर V1 upon I2, Z22 equals to V2 upon I2. Now we calculate. Now all the parameters are arranged in a particular way like this. Z11, Z21, Z12, Z22, where I1 and I2 equals to 0. Now, how to arrange name of parameters? It's not a particular name. Now we can write in a particular way. Now remember the particular four names. यह फोर आप कह सकते हैं कि जो चार हमारे मेन पॉइंट्स हैं जो कि हमको याद करने पड़ेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज ड्राइविंग पॉइंट, सेकेंड वन इज फॉरवर्ड ट्रांसफर, थर्ड वन इज रिवर्स ट्रांसफर एंड फोर्थ वन इज वोल्टेज चेंज या करंट चेंज. Here we use impedance matrix, that's why it is all open circuit. All are open circuit, we can write now. Here Z11 equals to V1 upon I1. Here 1, or denominator and numerator having 1. That's why we all driving point. Driving point. Now get one equals to v1 upon I1. v1 and I1 all variables are input side. That's why it is on input impedance. That's all. So this is for open circuit driving point input impedance. Now turn this get to 1. Get impedance, it means open circuit. Here variable V2 divided by current I1. That's why both variables are changed, output and input as well. That's why we on power transfer. We on power transfer to 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Power transfer, and it is what impedance? We can write impedance. Now turn this Z12. Z12 is V2 upon I1. That's why I1 Z12 equals to V1 upon I2. V1 upon I2, it means 2, 2, 1. It means reverse transfer. It is impedance, that's why we can write impedance. Now turn this Z22. Z22 equals to V2 upon I2. It means 2 and 2, it means output variables. We can write driving point. Output impedance. I hope you liked this video. Next part will be discussed later. Thank you.